In a world filled with challenges and uncertainties, we often find ourselves searching for answers, trying to unlock the secrets to a happier and more fulfilling life. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly attract success and abundance, while others struggle and fight to make ends meet? Today, my friends, we are embarking on a journey deep into the realms of consciousness and the untapped power within ourselves. It's time to unveil the mysteries that lie within the human mind and discover the keys to unlocking its true potential. We invite you to explore with us the power of consciousness for positive results. Join us as we delve into the fascinating realm of the subconscious mind, where every thought, every belief, and every impression shapes our reality. Witness the incredible power of subconscious impressions as we unravel how they influence your life through creative control. See how your thoughts and emotions can manifest in the physical world, shaping your experiences and attracting the outcomes you desire. Prepare to uncover the astounding connection between the subconscious mind and the law of correspondence. Understand the profound impact your thoughts and beliefs have on the world around you, as we reveal how the universe responds to your internal consciousness. But that's not all. We'll dive deeper into the realm of manifestation, exposing the secrets to manifesting your desires through the power of internal consciousness. Discover how to align your thoughts, emotions, and actions to create a life of abundance and fulfillment. So, are you ready to unlock the hidden potential within you? To witness the extraordinary power of consciousness and take control of your own destiny? Then hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and join us on this mind-bending journey of self-discovery. Remember, the power to change your life resides within you. All right, let's get started. For centuries, philosophers and scientists have delved into the mysterious depths of consciousness. It is the very essence of our existence, the gateway to understanding the world around us. From ancient Greek scholars to modern neuroscientists, the quest to unravel its mysteries has been relentless. Countless questions have been posed. What is consciousness? How does it shape our reality? Is it merely a product of our brain activity, or does it extend beyond the physical realm? Let's try to figure out the answers to these questions. From the birth of galaxies to the wonders of nature, from works of art that touch our souls to the incredible feats of human accomplishment, all have their origins in consciousness. It is the seed of potential, waiting to be nurtured and harnessed. The journey of creation begins with a single idea, a spark that ignites within our consciousness. This idea, when embraced and believed in the core of our being, becomes a fact within our subconscious mind. It is from this powerful foundation that we have the ability to manifest our desires. Artists, writers, and innovators throughout history have harnessed the power of this truth. From Picasso's strokes of genius to Einstein's breakthroughs in physics, their ideas were not mere thoughts floating in their minds. They were felt as absolute certainties within their subconscious, propelling them to bring their visions into reality. Controlling feelings is essential for leading a full and happy life by avoiding wrong impressions on the subconscious. Our feelings act as the bridge between our conscious and subconscious minds. It is through the lens of our emotions that we perceive and interpret the world around us. Controlling our feelings, channeling them consciously, is key to leading a fulfilling, joyful life. By understanding this truth, we gain the power to avoid imprinting the wrong impressions on our subconscious. Instead of allowing negative emotions to dictate our reality, we can deliberately choose to cultivate positive and empowering feeling. Remember, every feeling we experience leaves an impression on our subconscious. These impressions hold immense power, shaping our reality in ways we may not even realize. If left uncounteracted, these impressions will be expressed into our physical reality. Think of it as planting seeds within the fertile soil of our consciousness. If we nurture positive and empowering emotions, we sow the seeds of abundance, love, and happiness. Conversely, if we allow negative emotions to prevail, we sow the seeds of lack, fear, and unhappiness. Friends, a person's subconscious impressions determine their conditions in life. Imagine two individuals, Sarah and John, who grew up in similar circumstances. Sarah, despite the challenges she faced, always held a deep belief in her own abilities. She nurtured positive thoughts and maintained an unwavering faith in her dreams. On the other hand, John, plagued by self-doubt and negative thinking, constantly anticipated failure and setbacks. As they navigated through life, their subconscious impressions determined the conditions they encountered. Sarah's positive mindset and self-belief attracted opportunities and opened doors. She effortlessly manifested success and abundance. In contrast, John's negative subconscious impressions became a self-fulfilling prophecy, leading to a perpetuation of challenges and limitations. It is essential to recognize that our external conditions reflect the inner workings of our subconscious mind. By understanding and harnessing the power of our subconscious impressions, we can actively shape our reality and create the life we desire. Just like Sarah, we too have the ability to alter the trajectory of our lives. By consciously cultivating positive thoughts, beliefs, and emotions, we can rewrite the script of our subconscious mind. We can replace self-limiting beliefs with empowering ones and reshape our conditions accordingly. The subconscious mind, that vast reservoir of thoughts, beliefs, and emotions, is an unwavering force in our lives. It never fails to bring forth into reality that which has been imprinted upon it. Whatever we deeply believe and feel is inevitably expressed in our external experiences. Whether positive or negative, our subconscious impressions hold tremendous influence over our conditions and circumstances. When we consistently impress our subconscious with empowering thoughts and emotions, our reality aligns accordingly. To make that reality manifest, we must assume the feeling of already having achieved our desire. By embracing the emotional reality of our aspirations, we send a vivid signal to our subconscious, compelling it to align our external circumstances accordingly. There is a profound connection between our inner world and the external reality we experience. According to the law of correspondence, the outside world is a reflection of our internal state. What we think, feel, and believe within ourselves is mirrored in our circumstances, relationships, and opportunities. Our feelings and desires possess an incredible creative power. They are the fuel that drives us, the compass that guides us toward our deepest aspirations. However, simply having these feelings and desires is not enough. We must assume their emotional reality within ourselves before they can manifest in our external world. Have you ever noticed how, when you feel happy and positive, the world seems to respond in kind? Conversely, when you're feeling down or negative, it seems like everything goes wrong? This is because our external reality is intricately connected to our internal consciousness. The way we think, feel, and perceive the world within ourselves is energetically projected onto the canvas of our external experiences. If we carry a mindset of abundance, positivity, and love, we attract situations and opportunities that align with those vibrations. On the other hand, if we dwell in negativity, lack, and fear, we find ourselves surrounded by circumstances that reflect those energies. Understanding this principle empowers us to take responsibility for our reality. By cultivating a positive and empowering consciousness, we can shape the world around us to match our desires and aspirations. And there you have it. We've explored the power of developing a positive mindset and how it can transform our lives. Remember, developing a positive mindset is achievable through persistence and training. It may take time and effort, but the results are truly worth it. If you found this video helpful and insightful, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't done so already. By subscribing, you won't miss out on future videos designed to help you unlock your full potential. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences, so please share them in the comment section below. We believe in the power of a supportive community, and together, we can inspire and uplift one another on our manifestation journeys. Until we meet again in our next video, keep manifesting, keep believing, and keep aligning with the highest possibilities that life has to offer. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey.